Pakistan is a resourceful and fertile country. Close to 67% of the people live in rural areas. Many are in extreme poverty and lack ways and means of improving their situation. A large number of these people live in remote villages with little access to basic facilities.
There is tremendous potential in people, even the poorest of the poor. The only reason they are not able to unleash it because there are obstacles in their way. And if you create an enabling environment where those obstacles are removed, then, because poverty is at the household level, each family, each household will be able to rise above the level of subsistence. And then, of course, when you aggregate that at the village level, then the whole village. And then from village you go to Union Council.
National Rural Support Program was formed in 1991 and has been working in Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The vision of NRSP is that the entire population of Pakistan is organized in the form of their own network of community institutions, and these institutions and their leaders are recognized as vehicles for sustainable development and poverty reduction. NRSP works at the grassroots level to empower people and organizations, which then helps them to mobilize their whole communities. The building blocks for this process are community, village, and local support organizations. The community organization members then prepare household micro-investment plans for income generation activities. This will lead to the preparation of village and union council development plans. NRSP strives to achieve gender equality and recognizes that every policy, program, and project affects women and men differently. Microfinance is one of the prime interventions for harnessing the potential of people. NRSP does this through a retail microcredit program as well as through a community investment fund. Other financial services include microinsurance for hospitalization and accidental death and savings products. The Village Union Council plans prepared by the COs, VOs, LSOs also identify their need for construction of basic infrastructure. The community infrastructure schemes that people identify through their own institutions play a very important role, not only in the development of local areas, but also to help combat the effects of natural disasters. Though the program is demand-driven, NRSP also introduces new technologies for increasing productivity and reducing losses. NRSP works through COs and VOs to increase productivity of livestock and agriculture, reduce losses and improve profitability by providing access to information, skills, microfinance, and value addition interventions. As a result of NRSP's 20 years of work, people in thousands of villages in Pakistan are now more geared towards living a healthy and happy life, and villages are getting equipped with the basic necessities. NRSP continues to expand and strengthen the network of community-based institutions and advocate their cause with the government and donors to ensure that the benefits of social mobilization reach the poor.